I worked as a digital marketing advertisement specialist in a global company. But suddenly my leader left the company and I had to take over her task and go to the US in 3 months to lead the presentation and discussion in English. But I couldn't say anything. So I seriously consider how I can improve my English in a very short term. So I decided to join the Berlitz. So I talked with the counselor and also teachers, and I explained my goal. And then we customized my class for the initial target in 3 months. My target is actually very aggressive target. All day I listen to English and I speak English only with my one-on-one teachers. It was very tough. I exhausted, but in the end it was a huge success. And surprisingly, I got many assignments, including global project. That's wonderful for me. And then I got a great offer in an external company, and I can build the global career. So I'm really appreciate Berlitz and my teachers because Berlitz provide very customized contents for me, and that's a key point to the achieved goal in such a short target.